Hi, and welcome to Writesea's feature launch video. This time around we have 5 features. The first being the ability to launch a new name for your writer into the customer portal. So the customer will only see the name that you assign to each individual writer. Beyond that, you now have the ability to sort each data table that's within Writesea the same way that you could originally sort in the orders area. Again, we have a new feature called two-factor authentication. And this is going to allow you an added element of security with a password sent to your email each time you log in, if you decide to turn that feature on. Additionally, you have the approval process. Again, this is a feature that can be turned on and off, and this allows you to look at the draft the writer is uploading before it goes to the customer. You have the ability to accept or reject that draft, and if you reject it, you can give some notes to the writer about how to make those improvements. And the last feature that we're going to talk about today is the ability to upload documents from the customer side to the writer as a part of the feedback that's given in the revision process. And with that, let's get right into the actual program and how it's all going to work for you. So our first feature that we have in our new update is going to be the ability to name and change the name that is facing for the customer. Now this is going to be the writer name. Let's say it's just your company name. Or maybe you even want it to be your personal name, so my name. And this is of course white labeling the writer so that the customer never knows exactly which writer they're communicating with. The next feature that we really have launched across the admin portal is the ability to have pagination and search functions within the view tabs of both, or actually each of the questionnaires, downloadables, contracts, services, packages, writers, customers, and it was already available in orders. So let's take a look at that. We've got the ability to expand the number of entries to 100. We also have the ability to search based on any name. Okay, basic resume questionnaire, basic questionnaire. If we want to reorder, we can do that here. Let's go back to all entries. Same thing can be done with tabs here. Now let's go to packages. Packages actually has a whole lot more content to search. So we can reorder that. We can reorder what contract is where, even the status of it's turned on or not. And then here we have the ability to reorder by number. Really, that's going to be the best way to find anything within the portal. Now that that's launched, again, that's in the questionnaires, downloadables, contracts, services, packages, writers, customers, and it was originally available as a part of the orders tab. Our new two-factor authentication feature is available in the features area. We're going to, for now, disable the revisions approval process, enable the two-factor authentication, make sure we save, and then from there I'm going to add my email for the two-factor authentication, update that, and go ahead and log out so that I can see what the experience is like with authenticating. Log in, okay. I'm going to get an email, and on another monitor here, I'm waiting on that email to come in. It takes roughly 10 to 20 seconds. And that is how the two-factor authentication works. Our new approval process is found within website settings. We can enable that here, save that, and the first thing that we notice is there is a new approvals process here in the orders area. Approvals, and we're going to create something that needs approval, so let's go directly to the writer portal. And I know that Jack Reacher is working with John Adams, so I'm going to go in here, find the order that has 60% with John Adams, so there we go, and upload a document, just like I typically would with my upload process. But instead of going directly to the customer, this is going to go to an admin that will then review it and approve or disapprove of the document that I've uploaded. So from here, we're going to go back over to the portal, again to orders, approvals, and now we have a new document to download as the admin. Evaluate whether this meets company standards or not. And then in our case, we're going to go ahead and accept this. Now that goes directly to the customer as if the writer had sent it to the customer, but now we have somewhat of a zigzag. That is the approval process, goes to the admin and back to the customer. Within the customer portal, if you'd like your customer to participate in the revision process by using Microsoft Word or any other way of marking up a document, you can ask them to download Microsoft Word or give them the option of downloading it. And instead of giving notes in just a typed out format here, can also now upload their track changes into the portal, which then goes back to the writer, and on the writer side is made available directly here in the revision history panel.